Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete the Elementor default kit in WordPress. This is useful if you want to remove the preset styling that comes with Elementor and start fresh with your own custom design system. First, open your website's WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you'll access all the backend controls for your site. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to navigate through the various menus to manage your Elementor templates and settings. Next, go to Templates and then click on Save Templates. This section houses all the templates you've created or that came pre-installed with Elementor. When you click on it, the list of saved templates will appear on your screen, showing you everything that's currently stored in your Elementor library. Now, in the search box at the top of the templates list, type Default Kit. This will filter the results and help you quickly locate the default kit template without having to scroll through potentially dozens of other templates. The default kit is Elementor's built-in styling template that controls things like default fonts, colors, and button styles across your site. Once the default kit template appears in the list, click the trash link located next to it. This is typically found beneath the template name alongside other options like edit or export. When you click trash, a warning pop-up will appear on your screen. This is WordPress's way of making sure you really want to proceed with the deletion, since this action will affect your site's default styling. Finally, click Delete in the warning pop-up to confirm and permanently remove the default kit from your WordPress installation. Don't worry, this only deletes the default styling system. It won't affect any of your actual page content or layouts you've already created. Your existing pages will remain intact, they'll just no longer be tied to the default kit's styling rules. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Elementor default kit from your WordPress site, giving you a clean slate to build your own custom design system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.